unleashing the future of manufacturing industry. MICA Technology, making ideas into reality. As manufacturing industries evolve with the rise of 3D printing, AI-driven automation, and sustainable practices, modern businesses require more comprehensive industrial solutions to keep up with the changing demands and stay ahead of the curve. Time is of the essence in the fast-paced world of manufacturing. At MICA Technology, we understand the urgency of your business. Our agile manufacturing processes, combined with our skilled workforce, ensure that your orders are fulfilled with unmatched speed and high quality. From design to delivery, we guarantee a rapid turnaround time, empowering you to stay ahead of the competition. At MICA Technology, we believe in the power of individuality. We understand that one size does not fit all, which is why we embrace the art of customization. Whether you require bespoke designs or tailor-made specifications, our experienced team will go above and beyond to understand your unique requirements. Since our establishment in 2003, MICA Technology has been providing customization services to manufacturing industries worldwide. Our presence has also been expanded to China, Malaysia, and Indonesia, allowing us to serve our clients better. At our company, we hold ourselves to the highest standards of excellence. We believe that collaboration is the key to success and strive to build strong relationships with our clients that allow us to deliver products that not only meet but exceed their expectations. In a world where manufacturing prowess determines success, MICA Technology is definitely the undisputed choice of many customers. We offer faster turnaround time and an unparalleled dedication to customization. Join us in unlocking the limitless potential of manufacturing as we journey together into a future defined by excellence.